the studio So Crispy Media has presented its vision of how humanity could integrate humanoid robots into a unified security system in the future. Recently, So Crispy Media released a short action film featuring armed humanoid robots from Tesla. The film opens with a high-speed chase involving a Tesla Model 3 equipped with the latest software. As the story unfolds, Tesla Optimus humanoid robots come to the driver's aid, engaging in combat with the pursuers. The Tesla Optimus robot featured in the film is a development by Tesla, first unveiled in the year 2022. Optimus is designed as a multifunctional humanoid robot capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from assisting in manufacturing processes to providing household services. In the film, Optimus takes on multiple roles, from an office assistant at Tesla's headquarters to a RoboCop helping the Model 3 driver. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this interaction between robots and humans? The Japanese company Cobo has introduced its security robot named Cobo, designed to enhance safety in public spaces. This autonomous robot patrols designated routes, using artificial intelligence and fifth-generation technology to analyze real-time images captured by its cameras. Cobo can detect suspicious individuals, fallen persons, and unattended objects. Upon identifying a threat, it can emit sound warnings, activate light signals, and deploy a smoke screen to deter intruders. Additionally, Cobo is equipped with a modular manipulator that allows it to inspect hard-to-reach areas, such as spaces under benches or behind vending machines. The robot integrates with various building systems, including surveillance cameras, elevators, and electronic locks, enabling seamless coordination with security personnel and enhancing overall site safety. But what if police robots do not become our allies in the future, but turn against us instead? The writers of Code 8 have envisioned a future where the government tightly controls the population using robotic police officers. These machines serve as advanced tools for crime suppression and social control. The primary type of these machines is the Guardian, tall humanoid robots clad in heavy armor and resistant to most attacks. These units are equipped with integrated scanning systems, including facial recognition and threat analysis, as well as powerful weapons capable of neutralizing individuals with special abilities. Their main functions are crime suppression, suspect apprehension, and supporting law enforcement forces. In the real world, companies like Boston Dynamics, DARPA, Lockheed Martin, and Ghost Robotics are developing similar technologies. These robots could drastically reshape the future, leading to total societal control. An automated law enforcement system could reduce human involvement in decision-making, resulting in harsh and inhumane suppression methods. In the long run, machines could entirely replace the police, and military-grade technology might end up on city streets, increasing the risk of abuse. Dubai has begun actively deploying next-generation police robotic machines, integrating advanced technologies into law enforcement. The robots perform various functions, including patrolling streets, maintaining public order, assisting tourists and citizens, recording violations, and transmitting data to the police. They are equipped with high-resolution cameras, facial recognition systems, and voice modules, allowing them to interact effectively with their surroundings. Some models are designed for operation in public spaces such as shopping malls and tourist areas. They can provide information, receive crime reports, and even issue fines. Others are intended for monitoring road traffic and detecting violations among cyclists and electric scooter users. The use of robots enhances security, reduces the workload on human personnel, and speeds up police operations. In the future, the city plans to significantly increase the number of such assistants, making law enforcement more technologically advanced and efficient. Chinese company Logan Technology has introduced the latest autonomous robot, RTG, capable of patrolling urban areas independently without human intervention. This spherical robot is designed to operate in extreme conditions. It can move on both land and water at speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour, while withstanding impacts of up to 4 tons. The key feature of RTG is its ability to use artificial intelligence to detect and apprehend offenders. In addition, the robot is equipped with facial recognition technology and can use a net gun to capture criminals. It can also deploy other non-lethal measures such as tear gas and grenades. Just 2 months after its presentation, These robots have already begun patrolling the streets of Chinese cities, working alongside human officers. This development is part of China's broader strategy to integrate robotics into law enforcement, enhancing efficiency and public safety. The New York Police Department has begun the process of mass deployment of DigiDog robotic dogs for city patrols. Mayor Eric Adams is convinced that technology on the streets is essential for ensuring public safety. As a result, DigiDog robots, which were developed by Boston Dynamics, will patrol the streets of New York. The mayor stated that deploying DigiDog could save lives. In his speech, he acknowledged that certain activists oppose the idea, but emphasized that he is seeking the best solutions for the city, which led to the decision. The initial use of these robots by the New York Police Department sparked a negative public reaction. In the year 2020, special forces used DigiDog inside a building where an armed terrorist had barricaded himself. In the year 2021, the robot was also deployed when lawbreakers broke into a home. However, the public later criticized the use of such machines, citing concerns over privacy violations. DigiDog is also known as Spot and is operated remotely. The robot is designed to operate in hazardous situations, inspecting areas and locations with high risk to human safety. Boston Dynamics promotes its use as a tool for public safety, though many experts criticize it, seeing it as a potential threat to humanity. But it is not just robotic dogs that will be patrolling the streets of New York. The K5 police robot, which has neither arms nor legs, is also on duty near the Times Square subway station. The New York Police Department has launched a rather unusual experiment, deploying the K5 robot from Nightscope to patrol one of the city's subway stations. Unlike the police robots seen in movies, K5 has no limbs. Some local civil rights advocates have already dubbed it a trash can on wheels. The machine, designed to protect people, weighs 190 kilograms, but lacks not only limbs, but also some essential functions. During its presentation, it was stated that the robot would record video for later review in case of an emergency or if a crime occurs at the station. The city reportedly rents K5 for $9 per hour, which is considered a cost-effective deal since the fee is lower than the city's minimum wage for humans. Unlike human officers, the robot does not need breaks, does not eat, and can dedicate all its time to duty. This unique robot will make police work much safer. The robot, called Go-Between, is attached to a police vehicle via a mount that extends forward directly to the driver's window, allowing the officer and the driver to communicate without leaving their vehicles. Go-Between is equipped with a screen, a webcam, a signature tablet, and a small printer that can issue necessary documents, such as a traffic citation. Here is how it works. Once the officer's vehicle is parked behind the stopped car, Go-Between moves up to the driver's window, acting as the officer's eyes, ears, and voice. At the same time, a spiked strip is automatically deployed in front of the vehicle's rear wheels, preventing it from driving away until the traffic stop is complete. This approach makes police work more convenient and safer, while also helping to prevent potential accidents. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.